For Tesla Model 3 and Model Y owners seeking to elevate their driving experience, the VJOYCAR 8.8-inch dashboard screen is the perfect addition. Available on Aliexpress, this innovative product integrates seamlessly with your vehicle, offering a wealth of features that enhance both safety and convenience. The VJOYCAR dashboard screen supports both Carplay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your smartphone wirelessly. This integration provides access to your phone's apps, navigation, music, and more directly from the dashboard screen, enhancing your driving experience by making essential functions easily accessible and safe to use. Featuring an 8.8-inch HD LCD touchscreen, the VJOYCAR dashboard offers a clear and vivid display of data. The high-resolution screen ensures that information is displayed sharply, making it easy to read at a glance. Additionally, the screen supports both day and night modes, automatically adjusting to provide optimal visibility in various lighting conditions. Safety is a top priority with the VJOYCAR dashboard screen. It includes a blind spot monitoring function, which helps you stay aware of vehicles in your blind spots, reducing the risk of accidents. The optional front camera further enhances your awareness, providing an extra layer of safety while driving. The VJOYCAR screen provides real-time updates on various aspects of your vehicle, including speed, gear position, tire pressure, seat belt reminders, battery percentage, lighting status, and temperature. It also displays icons for Autopilot AP, Enhanced Autopilot EAP, and full self-driving FSD modes, keeping you informed of your vehicle's status at all times. The VJOYCAR 8.8-inch dashboard screen is a must-have upgrade for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y owners. Its seamless integration, advanced safety features, and user-friendly design make it an essential tool for enhancing your driving experience. Available on Aliexpress, this product guarantees satisfaction with its comprehensive features and reliable performance.